In our continuing efforts to provide advanced solutions at the speed of work, Snap-on is proud to expand our industry-leading NanoAxcess tool offering with the new CT-NN2Q3KF NanoAxcess Toolkit. The new NanoAxcess Toolkit offers the same great compact design, helping technicians reach difficult fasteners in component-dense environments. The pistol grip driver has been fitted with a quick connect hex drive for convenient use with a variety of quarter-inch hex shank bits. The compact right-angle head can access hard-to-reach fasteners with tight clearances. Both drivers feature ergonomic grips for balance, comfort, and control. The robust electric motors produce up to 44 inch-pounds of powered torque. The energy-dense 4 amp-hour battery drives over 600 fasteners per charge, allowing for all-day performance and fully charges within 2 hours, perfect for busy mobile technicians. The electronic forward and reverse controls are conveniently located to allow for one-handed use. The integrated tri-color LED battery status indicator light ensures you know the level of charge at a glance. The kit comes complete in our Pro 5 foam storage tray to help keep the tools organized and protect against oils and solvents. When access to small fasteners is limited, you need tools engineered for tight spaces and precision work. You need the new CT-NN2Q3KF NanoAxcess Toolkit. Talk to your Snap-on account manager today.